Good morning, everyone. So, as per usual, please ignore my horrible car setup. It is actually Thursday today, and I wanted to start another week in my life vlog. Of course, this is kind of like the middle of the week, like end of the week, so I'll probably like bring it into next week and the weekend. I'm getting towards the end of the semester now, so it's kind of like going towards finals, so things are slowing down a little bit. I'm actually on my way right now to pick up John from the airport. He has been in North Carolina visiting his family like the past week. He left like last Sunday, so now I need to go pick him up before my class. So that is what I'm doing now. I just got to the airport. I pulled up like in the terminal, obviously, because like that's where I'm gonna pick him up, and I didn't realize you're like not supposed to stop there and wait, and I'm like 10 minutes early, so I like parked on the side, and then the guy was like, can you go park in like the lot and like wait until your like party's here or whatever, and I was like, okay. So I'm waiting now in like the little parking lot, and then I'll drive back to the terminal when his flight lands. It's supposed to be landing at 11:40 and it's 11:30 right now, so hopefully he'll get here soon and I can drive back and get him. But for now, I am just chilling. I retrieved him. I meant to record him like when I got there, and you were coming up with the thing, but I forgot.
No, she was too excited to see me.
No, I was figuring out where I was supposed to go, and hopefully the guy was gonna yell at me again.
Oh well.
I told him he's in the wrong state with that hat on. Like came out in a beanie, and it's like 70 degrees, which is actually cold today. But now we're going back to school on our way. Hi guys, sorry this lighting sucks right now. I'm in my car as usual. I feel like every time I vlog I'm in my car. I forgot to kind of update the vlog earlier. I don't even remember the last thing I was doing. I think I was like leaving class, and then I came home and I ate. And after that, I started getting ready to go take my composites for my sorority, which is basically just like the picture that we take every year. So I went and I sat in like the place we were doing at while people came in to get their pictures done. Because I actually am now our new historian for our chapter, which is super exciting. So that's kind of just all of the things I oversee, like photo, video, all the social media accounts. So I'm really like excited for this opportunity, and it's super awesome that I get to kind of do like what I want to do for my major, like advertising. It ties into it, and just things I've always been interested in. So composites is a part of it, and I went and sat there and also got mine done. And after that, I had to go to my night class, and it was actually the last time we were meeting, which is like kind of exciting because, I mean, night classes weren't like as bad as I thought they were gonna be. It just kind of was pointless, like me going to this class. My teacher like didn't really teach all the time, and I think it was like her first time being a professor, so she was kind of all over the place. But most of the time I just kind of sat there and did my homework. It was a good kind of like study hall time, but today was our last meeting, and I had to present my final project. I am back at my apartment now. I don't really have much else to do tonight. I actually feel so relieved that I have a lot of my like projects done, and I don't really have any big tests or anything because most of my finals are group work, like team projects. So now I get to kind of finally chill out and just not really have a lot to worry about. I think tomorrow I am going to a couple apartments around USF to look for another place to live next year with my little, and some other girls in our sorority. I think we might room with them. So we want to just take some tours tomorrow and kind of get some information on the different places that we might be looking at to live next year. So I will update you guys then. Happy Friday. It is Friday morning now. I'm actually going to pick up my little so we can go look at apartments. I promise I meant to vlog this part inside my room, but it just didn't happen because I was getting ready and then rushing to leave. So I'm making an effort to not make the whole vlog in my car, but for now, it's gonna have to do. We're gonna look at a few apartments around campus because hopefully we're moving in together next year, which will be super fun. So yeah, I might be able to take a few clips like inside the apartments, and I will include them. It's a hot second later. I think the last time I vlogged, I was showing like videos of the apartments and stuff we visited. After that, I just got lunch with my little. Then I went to his apartment, and we drove to go get something for my mom for her birthday tomorrow. So I had to get her a gift, and now I'm going back to campus because we have like a Friendsgiving thing like at the sorority house tonight. I'm going with my friend Sam, and we're just gonna go, and I think they have food for us, and then we're gonna do like a gift exchange if we wanted to, but I didn't get a gift. So I'll just like observe. Literally I keep talking about how like my whole vlog is like in the car. Like every clip I take is in the car. And now the light is like really bad because of the sun. guys, happy Saturday. Today is my mom's birthday. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I went like yesterday to get her gift and stuff, so I think I talked about it. It's about 2 o'clock right now and I'm about to leave school to go home because then we're leaving to go to like downtown Tampa and we're gonna do some stuff around there for her birthday. So I'm actually not in my car right now updating the vlog, so I'm making progress. So I'm actually in my garage right now. John is moving my car because I actually have a handicap like parking spot thing. I haven't even told you guys what happened to me, but I am currently, I don't know if you can see, in this nice boot. Yeah, I'll tell the story, but basically he's moving my car because we're gonna take the handicap pass like with us because it's like I don't really want to walk that far like in this if we have to park somewhere. So I was parked like in the handicap spot in my parking garage, and if I'm taking the pass I need to move my car so I don't get in trouble for that. But basically my ankle is they said it was a severe sprain because a couple weeks ago I was like I was going to work and I was going down the parking garage like at school, and I totally just like missed one of the steps like going down the stairs, and I just like totally overstepped it, and when I like hit the ground on it, it just like totally moved out of place and was I want to like insert a picture, but it's so gross so I probably won't. Like my bone was literally like popping out of the side of my foot, so I was so scared, but then I realized it was just like swelling. But basically it hurts so bad and I've broken so many bones. I've broken like 8 bones in my life and I was convinced it was broken. But we went to the ER and they said it was just like a bad sprain. But honestly, I might have been better off with it fractured because it like wouldn't have hurt as bad, because when you like sprain it really bad like that, all like the tendons are like torn and stuff, and it just like is not fun. So I'm in this boot for like a month. It actually feels a lot better now. It was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I can actually like walk around like flat-footed in my apartment and stuff, and I don't really have to wear the boot. I just like wear it when I go out in case I like step wrong. I want to make sure it's protected. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
It's your birthday. And anything goes, so come and give me a hug.
So it's kind of dark right now. We went to dinner and we had, oh, now it's really dark. So it's kind of dark. We're on a little boat that's taking us around Tampa. More birthday celebration. Having fun? Huh? How's your birthday so far? Yeah? How was your boat ride?
Fantastic.
Okay. It always looks so pretty here at night. So we're now at Armature Works. It's this really cool place downtown. They just have like a bunch of different food courts, or it's like a big food court, but it's like a bunch of cool like trendy kind of food. So we just got another like snack here and we're about to eat. Hi everyone, it is now Monday afternoon. It is 5 o'clock now. I just got off work. I actually didn't vlog yesterday because I was actually just at home all day and I really like slept super late. I woke up at like noon, which was like amazing because I haven't been able to sleep in a long time. And I just like chilled at home and didn't really do much. So I just spent today at work, not very exciting, and I am now going to drop John's skateboard off for him actually because it's in my car and I guess he needs it. He's at Frisbee practice right now. So I'm taking that to him and probably just gonna go home and eat some dinner.
Thanks.
Why are you the only one here right now?
Cause
What?
you're early.
Yeah, I don't know why you came here instead of, well, just whatever. Love you.
Love you.
just had dinner and I kind of just like hung out around my apartment. I did some laundry and then put it away. I'm probably just gonna take a shower here soon and get ready for bed. My hair is like a hot mess today. I just like straightened my roots and left the rest natural because my hair is so curly at the top and I just have to like straighten it so it's not super frizzy, but it still looks kind of wild. I have another day of work today. I normally don't work Tuesdays. This is when I have my classes, but just with like finals and stuff, sometimes we have classes off now and they just like tell us not to come to class, and it's Thanksgiving week, so everything's kind of messed up. So my schedule's a little bit different. So I am heading to work right now. I'm gonna leave like kind of in the middle of the day because I have to go meet people to work on a project. We have to like film video for a project we're doing, and I'll probably like leave work and come back later just to like finish the day.
Look at our new Publix over there. So brand new and nice, and the first university ever to have a Publix on the campus. Hello.
I didn't know that we were the only, well, hopefully, has there been like other grocery stores on campuses before?
I don't think so.
Because for my advertising like project thing, one of them is for Publix, like the new one. We have to talk about like it being on campus, so I was gonna get like research about other campuses that have had grocery stores and like success. But if they've never done it before, I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
I think it's the first one to have a grocery store on. Publix is about to be crowded with college idiots.
What does that mean to you?
I'm not a college idiot.
Well,
She is dropping me off at my apartment now.
because
I'm gonna
don't
get
drive
ready.
your car.
Yeah, we are gonna go to Busch Gardens with her roommates.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Gardens because we never use our passes, so we're finally gonna get some use out of them.
It is gonna be a little chilly.
Really?
Yeah.
It's exciting. I have to go around in my boot, so we have to see how that's gonna work out. So I just dropped off John, and I actually have to go to the Zeta house and get something out of the cabinet. We like painted pottery. We went to this place to like paint pottery, and now it's ready, so I have to like pick it up. And I'm gonna pick that up and then go get ready for Busch Gardens. If you think I look weird in half of these vlog clips, it's because I actually like stopped wearing foundation like to class and work and stuff. I don't really like ever do my makeup like that anymore. I just do like my mascara and stuff. And honestly, it's like such a weird feeling because like I never thought that I was gonna be able to do that. Just with my acne being so bad, I like never went a day without putting on makeup and like a full face of like foundation. But if you watched my how I cleared my acne video, I talked all about how I was on Accutane, and that totally cleared my skin. And now it's so easy to just like not put on foundation and I don't feel like completely gross. The only thing is it makes me look like kind of pale compared to when I do have like makeup on, because obviously it's gonna make me look darker. But so I don't have any like pimples or anything to worry about, which is amazing, but it does kind of make me look like different, I guess, when I don't have foundation on, but whatever. So I just picked up our cups. We just made like little glasses. I actually got Sarah's too. It turned out like more like peach, like yellow than I thought it was going to. I don't know. Whenever you're like actually painting it on, like, oh yeah, I did like the inside. Whenever you're actually painting it, it doesn't like look that dark until after they like burn it. And then this is Sarah's. She did like, oh, that turned out so cute. She did like a sunflower inside yellow. I just wanted to make it look like those little like confetti things, but it kind of just looks like dumb. I don't know, it's not that bad, but oh, Christmas lights. What are you doing?